Ààrẹ Gani Adams congratulates Tinubu, say Tinubu fought a long battle ahead of his victory. The Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò of Yoruba land, Gani Adams, have described the victory of All Progressive Congress APC presidential candidate Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu at the poll as a reflection of a doggedness and consistency in Nigeria politics. The Gani Adams of Yoruba land stated that by virtue of his position as the Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò of Yoruba land and a citizen of Nigeria, it is also very important for him to congratulate the president-elect of his victory at the just concluded presidential poll. Gani Adams, in a statement by the Special Assistant on Media, Kehinde Aderemi, urged Asiwaju Bola Tinubu to remain committed to the idea of democracy by fulfilling his promise to be the servant of the people. I congratulate Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu on his victory. His victory was not unexpected. It was well deserved because he had been a consistent as a frontliner politician that have fought tirelessly for the country's democracy. He fought a long battle ahead of his victory. While wishing the president-elect all the best in his new political adventure, it is my new view also, Asiwaju should remember that it is his duty as a president of Nigeria to fulfill the democratic vision of the country. The vision is that based on peace, unity, justice, and tolerance, among others, is stated.
This is ODUA TV Watch. My name remains Oluwabunmi Festus, and don't forget to subscribe, comment your opinion, like, comment, and share, so that other people can get access to what you enjoy on our channel. Thank you. We love you.